Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Scorpios. These are for your general energies. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation. If you want more clarity in your situation, Scorpios, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy. So first let's start with these cards. For your general energies, we have Five of Wands, Knight of Swords and Hierophant. So Scorpios, in your situation today, guys, maybe you are facing a lot of struggles today. You are working hard, putting in a lot of efforts, trying your best today, using your skills and talents today. No matter what, there are some troubles in your work situation. You may see some project delays or suspensions in work, and you are struggling, and maybe your efforts are very soon going to pay off, guys. All your efforts are not going for waste, but you may feel that you are doing too much, but the returns are not that much, and you're worried for that. But you need to understand that whatever efforts we put in will never go for waste. So just like the saying goes, you have to try and try again, and the people who try again and again are the ones who are going to succeed. So your efforts are going to bear the fruits very soon, guys, and you need not worry. And you are someone who is really confident about yourself. You have a lot of skills and talents, and you are courageous and strong willed. So you are working hard, doing your best today. And maybe whenever things are not going up to expectations, you are resisting all that, trying to do your best, resolve the problems you have in your situation, and you are moving positively, having the right mindset today, guys, Scorpios. A positive mindset in your situation, guys, Scorpios. And Scorpios, I also see that you are someone having great ideals and views for yourself, and you are someone who believes in some belief system, and you are holding on to those beliefs or a particular way of doing things or living life in a particular way, in a meticulous manner. And you are someone with deep knowledge and understanding. And today you are facing everything based on that ideals and beliefs, and you are someone who is really talented, skilled and knowledgeable. So people may come to you for guidance, support, or you are asking someone for guidance or support. So this may be your person. So you may be asking your person their suggestions and ideas what to do today, guys, Scorpios. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have Strength in reverse. So with this card in this relationship, guys, maybe for some of you, the way this person is, maybe they are really envious of you because of your talents, or you are acting as if you know everything, maybe because of your skills and talents, and you are quite arrogant, and you are maybe trying to control them or dominate them in some ways, but this person does not like it. So that may be the reason for some troubles in this relationship, guys, Scorpios. But if you are able to resolve, there is nothing that is worrying in this connection, guys. So you will find a better understanding if you are willing to resolve this issue you have, guys, Scorpios. So let's see what is the card for your Eight of Pentacles in reverse. So with this card in your situation, guys, in your career situation, there may be certain delays you are seeing in your work, just like I said with the previous cards. You are working hard, struggling hard today, but there is a hope and faith for your future. So today you may be facing some delays or suspensions in your work, Scorpios. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards. This is your first card and the first crystal, the second card and the second crystal. So any doubts or confusions, you can just close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card or the crystal that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with the first card after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading. Let's see what is the card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this crystal and this card, we have Apache Tears. So with this card, it just means that letting go of the grief you are experiencing today, maybe of the past, and releasing all that pain and hurt so that you will heal from the situation today. So this crystal spirit, it does not stand for repressing your emotions or being afraid. It just helps you to accept the facts that what is happening today, and you need to release all that hurt you're feeling, all that heartache you are having. So in order to enjoy happiness and peace of mind in future, guys. So often when we are in some situation where things are not going as we planned and we feel rejected, hurt by someone, or certain things are not working according to our expectations, we really feel hurt. So we may experience a lot of pain and hurt, but we need to understand that someday when we look back at this day, we will be simply smiling because we will know the import of this situation then, guys, and we will understand that rejection is God's protection in some ways. So this crystal spirit is calling you to recognize that even this loss or pain we are bearing today will become an unexpected gift, and it will help us to live our lives more fully, lovingly and more meaningfully in future, and much more good things will come our way in our life. So we need to hold fast to the truth and see how destiny is unfolding for us in our life, guys. And we need to clear the space by releasing the past and washing away all that with our tears, maybe. And we need not hold on to the old emotions. So when we clear the space, something new is going to come in our life. So that is the energy with this card, guys. The Crystal Spirits Oracle card for you all today. So thank you for watching, guys. So now let's see what is the second card and the reading with that card. So we will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this crystal and this card, we have Goose Girl, Theft. So for those who chose this card, guys, it just means that in your situation, maybe there is someone who has wronged you very badly, and they have tried to take something from you, something that is really precious for you, and they have wronged you very badly. You trusted them, but they are not someone to be trusted. But whatever you have lost, maybe even you have lost your identity, or you don't know what you are today, and you have no one to tell what has happened today. But whatever it is, truth will always shine through, guys, and justice will unfold at the right time. So you need not worry. So people who are envious are trying to take something from you, or they have already taken, or maybe for some of you, if you have taken something from someone which is precious to them, you need to understand that though you try very hard to hide what has happened, justice will surely unfold, and you can never keep truth from being revealed, guys. So at the right time, truth will be revealed. So if there is someone who has wronged you, you should understand that you are unique, and your identity will never be lost, and it will shine through however hard you try to cover yourself up, guys. And you cannot be copied, and you're cared and protected for. And maybe people love you for what you truly are, your true nature, not for the possessions you have, not for the things you have, or how rich you are, or for your status. So you need to understand that. You need to understand that you are valued for your true self, not for the things you have with you, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, you need to understand that truth will always be revealed, and you can never hide truth for a long time. So that is the energy, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Watching this pick a card love reading. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.